Hello and welcome to Simply Sport with me Neeraj Prabhu. It has been one smashing week of high voltage sports action all around the world. In today's program, we have put together an exciting package of national, international and local significance. Let's start with cricket. India thrashed Australia in one of the most incredible chases in one-day international cricket history. Having lost the first encounter in the ongoing 7-match series, the hosts bounced back in magnificent style when the man in blue overhauled a massive target of 360 runs with 6.5 overs to spare. Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli scored centuries, while Shikhar Dhawan missed the three-figure mark by just 5 runs, as India romped home with a 9-wicket victory. If you have missed the match, we have the highlights for you, so sit back and enjoy.
Once again, George Bailey calling right, Australia winning the toss, and no hesitation in deciding to bat first, Bonnie.
So Bhuvaneshwar Kumar on his way, Aaron Finch on strike, 2 slips in place. And the first run on the board, we saw a lot of in-swing to Aaron Finch. That's crashed through the offside. First boundary of the game. Drives handsomely through the offside. Oh, he gets hold of that. No messing around, that was short. He was in position quickly, Aaron Finch.
Oh, he's found the gap, hasn't he?
Again, the short delivery, man in the deep. That has gone over. It's gone the distance. First 6. And Aaron Finch, the man, to strike it. And also brings up the 50. Could be tight, directed. This could be very, very tight. They're going upstairs. And I think he's gone.
That is top class. I think he might have just taken it easy. Yes, he's short. It's a big blow, huge blow. Out. And Finch out for 50.
Again, the short delivery. And it's cleared the man. Why did he not put his hand up? Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. On this ground. It's going to be 4 more. He hits that shot, so much power. Oh, down the ground. Has he got enough on it to get over his head? Yes, that's 6. Good shot. 100%. 49 for Hughes. There it is. That's his 50. Well played, Philip Hughes. Second consecutive 50. He played well.
Shot again. This time he's picked the long on fielder. And he moves on to 50. Very good 50.
That is a great shot. And this time we'll go the distance there too. Now has his arrogance got the better of him here, or is that going to fly over? He's coming underneath it, he takes the catch.
Watson, what an innings, 59, 182 for 2. That should be a boundary.
There he goes, just goes through with the shot. 200 comes up with 14 overs and a ball left. And over.
Is he out? Yes, he is. The umpire gives him out. Phil Hughes waits. The previous delivery, he went for the cut, missed it. This time he got a little bit of a nick.
Oh, he's got hold of that straight away. He doesn't need to play himself in.
That's a very, very quick outfield. You get great value for your shots.
He'll get 4 more here, just using the pace. Oh, that's massive. That is massive. That's just picking your spot.
Stunning shot. He was looking for the Yorker, maybe hitting the toe end of the bat, but it's raced away to the boundary. Another low full toss. Another boundary. And another half century for the Australian captain, George Bailey.
of just 32 balls with a strike rate of 162.5.
But when you're chasing such a big score, there's no margin for error whatsoever. Very hard to make any mistakes. And here's a run out, confusion. That's a shame.
Yes, he does. Mid-off just came inside the circle. Yes, he says, I think I'm set. Oh, that is so superbly timed. Oh, he's connected that. Is there a ground on the planet that's long enough for that hit? And he finds a fielder. That's a very complicated way to get out. And he finds a fielder now, hits it in the gap for 4. And he leaves the gap on the offside, which Bailey uses. It's been a tremendous innings from George Bailey. Captain of Australia has finished this match off in style. It's 359 for 5. Haddon gets 1, but George Bailey, 92 from 50. This is a tremendous score.
India are going to need 360 runs to win. 7.2 runs and over. Very, very difficult.
Yes, play is the call. 2 slips in place, and Mitchell Johnson on his way. And Rohit Sharma starts off with a boundary. Pulled away, gets hold of it, and finds the boundary. Oh, fine shot. That's gone like a bullet to the fence. Down the track, Shikhar Dhawan finds the gap on the onside.
This time even a better shot. Just a little bit of width.
He's gone for the big one. It's in the air. It's a big gap, and it's gone the distance. Brings up the 100 for India, and it's a much-needed sixer. It's gone fine. Can he pull it back? Johnson. No, he can't. It's a very, very fast outfield. Rohit Sharma getting to a well-deserved half-century. Beautiful. Delayed his shot. He was hitting the fielders on a consistent basis, but it's a superb shot to bring up his half-century. Well, that'll be 4 more. Has cleared the man at short mid-wicket. Might not have come from the middle of the bat, but it's boundary all the same.
And what a shot that is. No ball has been hit harder today along the ground. He's got an outside edge, carrying to the keeper. So Faulkner gets his man, much like the way he got out in Pune as well. Oh, what a shot this is. He's picked the bones out of that.
This time it's straight, it's flat, and it's 6. In the air, and it's sailing away. That's a great strike once again. That's the top shot. Wow. Big cheer, Yulia. It deserves every bit of it. 50 of just 27 balls. And again, it's big. It's huge.
Oh, lovely shot. There it comes, a sizzling square drive. He punches the air in delight. 3rd one-day international for Rohit Sharma. And it's been one hell of an innings. Goes through the offside with tremendous power. Oh, terrific shot. 1 bounce over the rope. Again, 4 more. It's all too easy at the moment.
Now that has just about got the distance. Yes, it has. Eventually much more. Now he's got this one too. And he'll get the 100. The fastest one-day international century by an Indian. It's come in 52 balls, and it has been an absolutely sensational effort. Make no mistake, we're seeing a very, very special player take giant strides in international cricket. Well, that'll clear the boundary, and India doing it in style here. Now that might go all the way. Well played, Rohit Sharma. Well played, Virat Kohli. And India, you've done something absolutely dramatic today. Rohit Sharma 141 from 123. Virat Kohli 100 from 52 balls. And India chased down 360 with 6.5 overs left. I think you must just gently let that sink in to realize its magnitude.
Moving on to football. We are counting down to the FIFA World Cup 2014 to be held in Brazil. The hosts are the only automatic participants of the World Cup, while the remaining 31 teams come through the qualification tournament. 20 teams have now qualified for the World Cup. They are Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Germany, England, Honduras, Iran, Italy, Japan, Korea Republic, the Netherlands, Russia, Spain, Switzerland and USA. That leaves 22 teams in contention for the 11 remaining qualification places. Plenty of big European names haven't yet booked their places in the Showpiece Football Championship, with Portugal, France, Sweden and Croatia all in the playoffs. One of the countries who face huge pressure of expectations when it comes to the major tournaments are England. And how relieved they are that the qualification is done and dusted after beating Poland in an exciting match.
I think it's difficult to put into words the amount of pressure that was on the team over the last 8 to 9 days, and we've had a journey of highs and lows over the campaign, but I think our last 2 performances have been really good. I thought first half tonight we were terrific. Second half got tough because the Poles lifted it, but we managed to get through in the end and perform well under immense pressure.
Everyone was talking about past failures, but now you've lived up to it and more, and you're going to the World Cup.
Yeah, that's the feeling of elation, you know, knowing that we're going to be in Rio is a fantastic feeling. And there's been a lot of opinions outside the group and people talking about failures in the past, but we were focused on the job. The manager had a game plan, and I think we carried it out fantastically well.
It's been a long time coming for me. I think it's well publicised that I've had 9 loans. I've been about in the lower leagues, and I'm just delighted that I've got my chance on the world stage, and hopefully my performance has been enough to keep me playing for England.
How are you coping with the new hype, and how excited are you to be part of the squad that's going to Brazil?
Yeah, you know, it's fantastic when you're in the spotlight, when you're in newspapers, but I'm not going to get carried away. I've seen players in the past who've had a couple of good performances and then they're faded, so I've got to not let it faze me. I've just got to put it to the back of my mind and just focus on playing football, really.
It's a good feeling. You know, but in some ways we're not getting too carried away. It's what we set out to do, and what we expected to achieve, really. That's what the standard we set ourselves. But yeah, of course, it's a relief in some ways, very satisfying. Now everyone can get excited about Brazil in the summer.
It's a dream come true for everyone, and you know, the hard work paid off in the end. We got 2 great results, and we're looking forward to it now.
Nerves out there at the start. They had some chances early on.
Yeah, of course. There's always going to be opportunities for the opposition, and it gets difficult sometimes. But we played our football, and in the end, we got the result we needed.